Drop it.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about the best action camera, Hero GoPro 5. Let's do the unboxing of Hero GoPro 5. If you want overview of the features, you can pause the video and take a look. Let's break the seal and see what's inside the box. It comes with two adhesive mounts. A USB Type-C wire for charging the camera battery. It has rechargeable lithium-ion battery of 1220 mAh. Battery manages to run around 1 hour and 45 minutes at 1080p at 30 fps. Nothing much left in the box. A user manual and that's it. Let's take out the camera from the housing and take a look. Now we can remove the mount from the box. Some GoPro stickers and warranty information. This is how you can take out the camera from the housing. Let's remove the screen protector. Insert the memory card and the battery in its place. Let's start the camera for the first time. Let's talk about some features of Hero GoPro 5. It has 3 modes: video mode, photo mode and time-lapse mode. You can shoot video at 4K at 30 fps, 1080p at 120 fps. You can shoot photos at 12 megapixel. It also has burst mode. It can take 30 photos at a time. In photo option, you can also shoot in manual mode. In time-lapse option, it has time-lapse video, time-lapse photo and night time-lapse also. I personally like to shoot time-lapse photo. It has different voice command also. For starting a video, you simply can say GoPro start recording And as you can see, it started recording. For stopping a video, you simply can say GoPro stop recording and it stop recording. In the front screen, it shows battery life, mode of shooting and shooting time. Let's talk about some pros and cons of Hero GoPro 5. It has pretty good build quality. It feels premium in hand. It is waterproof up to 10 meters without the casing. You can download Quick Story app on your phone and connect the camera with the phone directly. It has 1220 mAh battery which runs around 1 hour and 45 minutes at 1080p at 30 fps. Hero GoPro 5 has one of the best stabilization. Still, image quality could have been better in Hero GoPro 5. Accessories cost is way too much comparing to other cameras.